All right, so we're going to start out with a recent release. It just came out the other day.
Yes.
And these are the basis of my story since we were having that conversation. These are the Madder Root Air Max 1s.
Madder Root.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I've seen these.
There's a lot of great detail on these puppies.
Yeah, buddy. So let's get to it, man. Air Max. I mean, the Air Max situation is going nuts this year.
They got a good thing going this year.
Oh, man. This anniversary year has been great for Air Max. So let me ask you first. Is there like a recycled concept here or no?
Not that I know.
Okay, because it's some like natural. When I see those like natural tones and stuff like that, a lot of times they do that kind of stuff. Take the insert out. Classic Air Max. What's this right here? Is this kind of like this is the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the bottom tread.
Yeah.
On there. That's dope.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dope. It's on all Air Max like that? I don't think so. Like
they never really do that. That's usually just white or gray inside.
That's dope.
Yeah, so just another little piece they added to it.
So is this considered like a rose?
Yes.
Like a rosé kind of color?
Actually, they call that color the Madder Root.
The Madder Root.
Yeah. But it's like a light rose, like a pinkish hue. Yeah.
The suede, man. Oh. The check is suede.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the sole, right? The sole, so this is brown, it's like a brown type of, what is that considered?
I guess that's the root.
Right.
Oh, well, you mean the color itself? It's like a dusk. It's not really
almost
brown.
Like a gray brown type.
Yeah, it's like a brownish gray.
Yeah, but it has these specks in it.
They just call it light brown.
Okay, and it has these specks in it, and that's what kind of like led me to thinking. I wonder if this is some kind of recycled material kind of thing, because Nike does that with some of their joints. But whatever. And this, you trying to see if it's any like?
Yeah, I was just making sure there wasn't anything attached to it, but it's not. It's just with the color of it.
Yeah, it's all good. So we had three different fabrics, if you will. The suede, this nubuck, and then mesh.
Yeah.
This suede is nice. It's like a little bit rough, man. I love that.
Yeah.
I don't like my suede to be too smooth. It's a little rougher on the back than it is on the front for some reason. And I think that's on purpose, though. Right? Am I wrong about that?
It is. There's a different
little bit of a different texture, right? Right, because it stops right here.
Yeah. And the same thing is on both shoes. Like this one feels disturbed more than the front does.
These shoestrings are crazy.
Yeah, that's the
Okay, so this is what they did, because it looks like the shoestrings look like if you do this, like it's gonna be like a what is it, kind of like iridescent kind of thing. But that's not it. They have strategically green specks. So the shoestrings are the same color as this upper here. This like pink. This rose color and with white specks, and then you got green specks kind of splattered in there, and that gives it this kind of like this weird thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely.
Tough, man. The colors on these are great, son.
Yeah,
the colors are fantastic. Yeah, I already hear you. I already hear your voice about the slaughtering that's about to happen with these.
Yeah, I'm gonna slaughter these, ladies and gentlemen. I've got so many things to do with these. But the other thing is, the colorway is really like this. It's great going into the summer because it's the perfect match for linen. This tan colorway. The sole is not white. It's like it's off white.
It's not milky. It's not like white. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like triple white type of thing. It's more bone.
Yeah, bone. Yeah. Or natural. Well, these are more bone than anything.
Got the green on the inside of the air bubble.
Yeah.
Which is really clean.
Nice touch.
The green is just great. The brown, the same. The tab is the same color as the sole.
Yeah.
The around the tongue is a whole different fabric. So that's 4 fabrics then.
Instead of R&B satin.
That's that satin on the tongue right there, around that on the edge, and it's the same color or whatever, but it has a shimmer to it. So it's kind of like that's tough. That's a good touch right there.
And the tongue itself is padded.
Yeah, I see that. And it's like the same. It's like the mesh, but then you can see the padding on the inside of the mesh there. You know.
Yeah,
these are tough.
These are tough joints, man.
Tough color. It's a really dope colorway. I love this combination of colors. That blue, this is great. And that's the thing about Nike. One thing I have to say about Nike is that and I might have said it on the show before, their designers, they put their colorways together and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You hit that some more if you want to. Pause. They got it figured out, son.
Yeah,
their colorways be on point.
This is an actual first.
It's an actual first. Joe's like, give me some more of that rum you got over there, son.
Yeah,
that's quality.
Not
that's
get
quality
carried
stuff.
away either. It's a nice taste.
You're lightweight now too.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, I gotta chill too. I'm going out. I'm going to see Bilal later on today.
Nice.
So yeah, man, they got it figured out, son. It's like this combination. It's just perfect, man.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's a nice piece,
These
man.
are nice. And this, not only what I wanted to say when you said it, yes, with summer coming in, yes. But with summer going out, transitioning into fall too. These colors go great in the fall.
Absolutely.
Cause they're not bright. They're it's a subtle tone to them.
The hue is
it's all toned down or whatever. Whew, that right there, that's beautiful, son. Dope.
Yeah,
dope. Yeah. It's almost like so I'm looking at them because I just hesitated just now because when I looked up at this one, psychologically, right? When you put certain colors together, certain colors can look like there's something else, right? So I looked up at this, and this tan looked like it had a pinkish hue to it, just
because of the placement.
And that's why I was like, wait, we're like, no, it's tan when you really look at it, but it'll play well in the streets for sure. Those are tough.
Yeah, man.
How many pairs of Air Max you got?
It's getting up there. I think I'm either equal to or have surpassed my Air Force Ones.
I'm sure you have.
My collection.
You see how you didn't answer the question though, right? You know
I don't know. I don't know the actual number.